Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your lawnmower. Most engine manufacturers recommend changing the oil about once every 50 hours of operation. For most homeowners, it's good to change it once per year. When you change the oil, it's important that you use the correct oil as recommended by the engine manufacturer. For most mowers, that'll be either 10W30 or straight 30 weight. Check your owner's manual so you know what oil your lawnmower needs. Now remove the dipstick and drain the oil from the engine. Whenever you do this, you want to tip the mower so the carburetor is up, otherwise fuel will leak out of the carburetor. Also, it's best if you wait until the mower is almost out of fuel. Lots of new lawn mowers, like this one, use a carbon-filled gas cap. If gas gets into that gas cap, it'll plug it and the tank won't vent properly. Now I can add fresh oil to the engine. I'll place a funnel into the fill tube. And I'll add the oil slowly, checking the level with the dipstick as I go. After I add, I'll wait a second for the oil to settle into the crankcase. Still just a little low, so I'll add a little more. And that looks correct. And I'll replace and secure the dipstick. That's how you can change the oil in your lawnmower.